Hello sewing chums, I'm Diane from Spencer Ugg Sewing Patterns and I'm excited to introduce you to the Sail Sling sewing pattern. Say that 10 times really quickly. The shape is really gorgeous, I love this one. It makes me think of holidays, fun days out and hands-free snack carrying of course. I designed the Sail Sling to be super versatile. You can wear it crossbody over either shoulder, you can wear it on your front, you can wear it on your back, you can wear it tight against the body like this for extra security, or you can wear it fashionably lower slung with a longer strap, or even just really lengthen the strap and just throw it over one shoulder. The Sail Sling is an intermediate pattern, though I'd like to think with the in-depth written and photographic steps and a full video tutorial that I can talk you through making this even if you haven't made too many bags before anyway. It's suitable for a wide range of fabrics and it's engineered as always with domestic sewing machines in mind, with only 4 layers at the main seams to keep the bulk to an absolute minimum. It's designed for anyone and everyone, men, women, hikers, bikers, dog walkers, shoppers, cruise lovers, theme park goers and committed chocolate biscuit smugglers. You'll love how close it sits to the body, making it perfect for activities, travel, days out or strutting confidently through duty free. Let's have a look at some of the features. On the front we've got a zippered pocket with feature profile stitching to highlight that elegant sail shape. And this pocket is perfect for keeping small essentials handy, like travel cards, keys or earbuds. Flip it over and you'll find what I call the spine. And this makes the back of the sling nice and firm and also incorporates a really deep hidden pocket, which is great for holding passports, tickets, phones or maybe doggy treats and waste bags. The spine gently tapers to catch in the rectangle ring at the top of the neck, which holds the sturdy and fully adjustable shoulder strap. The strap length allows the wearer to use the bag tight against the body or low and more slouchy, and we create this smart little retainer to keep everything tidy. Nothing flapping around here. I'll show you how to taper the strap end so that you can use a smaller, lighter swivel clasp, less bulk, less weight and more style. 2 D-rings at the bottom of the spine mean that the strap can be attached to either side of the bag, so you can choose which side of the body to wear your sling. The separate gusset gives you plenty of room inside without spoiling that slim silhouette. There's even a little spot to add a feature badge, and you can pop in a few rivets too if you're feeling fancy. They're completely optional though. Now let's take a peek inside. Lots of places to organise all your essentials in here. A long zip allows easy access to the surprisingly spacious main compartment. And the bag's interesting shape allows us to easily carry a full height 500ml or 17 fluid ounce water bottle. You can add a notebook, a Kindle, and yes, picnickers, I even made sure it will fit a bottle of wine and a packet of biscuits. On the inside back we have a second zipper pocket, angled ergonomically for easy reach while wearing. Plus a tall slip pocket to the inside front, perfect for a large phone, or tickets, documents, or even a matching wallet. Speaking of which, why not pair it with a Lewis wallet or a Corkordion wallet to make a rather lovely set. If you are watching this video at launch, there is a cheeky little discount on both for a limited time. Yes, there's a bit of binding at the end, but it's just 2 seams and it gives the bag its firm skeleton structure and a beautifully smooth lining with no bagginess. It's the same technique as I used on the arch pouch, so don't be afraid of it, and there's no more layers in the arch pouch either. You've got this. The approximate finished dimensions are, in centimetres, 32 by 19 by 5 centimetres. An imperial, that's 12.5 by 7.5 by 2 inches. I'll also let you know how to make it deeper with the easiest little tweak. And of course you can easily print it at a larger or a smaller scale too. Many thanks to my lovely testers. I've already shared a few of their photos, but here are a few more. some super ideas for fabrics and combinations. My dedicated testers ensure that every stitch, seam and detail in my patterns meets the highest standards. Thank you for being an essential part of this process. This is an instant download PDF pattern with full written instructions, illustrated throughout with colour photography, and provides full-size computer drafted pattern pieces which print onto A4 or US letter size paper. It also comes with a full tutorial video. And remember, you get much more than just a set of instructions for making one bag with a Spencer Rugg pattern. There are lots of extra links to my mini bag making how-to videos, plus the included video tutorial contains lots of extra little tips too. I explain the reasoning behind each construction step because I don't just want you to make this bag, I want to help you grow your bag making skills for the next one and the one after that. There's a whole library of patterns waiting for you over on my website at www.spencerrugg.com. Sign up to the newsletter while you're on there to be the first to hear about new designs, offers and tutorials. Subscribe here on YouTube for dozens of my free bag making how-to tutorials and lots of free 30-minute makes. All the links to my social platforms can be found in my bio. And don't forget to join our friendly Facebook group for support, inspiration and showing off your finished makes because we love a good show and tell. So that is the Sew-All Sling. I hope you love it as much as me and my testers. If you do, well, grab the pattern and let's go sew.